Hello, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today and I hope you are having a fantastic day. So in this video, we'll quickly go through the biggest economic updates that millions of people are concerned about or should be concerned about. Then we'll talk about other helpful economic tips for your financial wellness and success. So before we dive in, I just want to quickly say, if you've been watching this channel and you have not yet subscribed, you are really missing out. Hit the subscribe button now to avoid missing out on these important information. And if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Hit that subscribe button now to also join this awesome and amazing community to get the latest updates, and give this video a thumbs up and share this video with other people to help them get this helpful and important information. So let's jump right into it. So according to this report from Yahoo News, 3.5 million workers are at risk of losing their unemployment benefits as Republican governors are set to cut the pandemic. So this is a lot of dilemma going on right now around the unemployment benefit, the $300 per week unemployment benefit. So this enhanced unemployment benefit has basically led to mixed opinions amongst a lot of people. So what we're seeing right now is that a lot of states are planning or will be cutting this benefit soon. So these are some of the states that we're going to go through here. So if you live in these states, pay close attention. So you have Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Utah, Arizona, Alaska, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, Ohio, Indiana, Tennessee, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, West Virginia, and New Hampshire. So these states that I just mentioned will be cutting the enhanced unemployment benefits soon. So they're gonna start paying these $300 per week unemployment benefits. So if I just mentioned your state, if you live in any of the states I just mentioned, pay close attention. So this is creating a lot of issues and so much controversy from a political standpoint right now. And in fact, this is what Bernie Sanders tweeted. So Bernie Sanders, who has been a big proponent of more money to the people. So Bernie said a couple of days ago, he said Republicans in state after state are attempting to starve people back to work by trying to do away with supplemental unemployment payments. And he did end by saying this is unacceptable. And he also said, my view is simple: pay people a living wage and provide better benefits. They will work. So let me know your thoughts about what Bernie is saying in the comment section below. Do you think people are not going back to work because the pay is not enough for them? Or do you think, as Bernie put it, that it's starvation wages? So basically wages not enough for people to keep up with their bills. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So the other thing we're seeing right now when it comes to the economy is this is a big one, right? People who have been pushing for the $2,000 per month stimulus payment, so monthly stimulus checks, this has gained a lot of momentum. So according to this report from Yahoo Finance, a petition with over 2 million signatures calls for $2,000 per month for every American. I don't know that this is going to happen. This is my personal opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. But more than 2 million signatures have been signed for this petition right now. And this is gaining so much steam, so much momentum amongst Americans. So people still want the $2,000 per month on monthly stimulus payments. I want to get your thoughts on this, but this is very, very interesting. According to this report, this petition was started by Stephanie, a Colorado restaurant owner. So someone from Colorado started this, and this was first posted on change.org. Honestly, at this point in the economy, I don't think the $2,000 per month stimulus checks will go anywhere. But again, the reason I said this is based on the data that we're seeing right now. According to the Department of Labor, the U.S. weekly jobless claims have dropped below 500,000. So this is the number of people who are filing for initial unemployment benefits. So right now we're seeing that this number, the previous week, this did drop below 500,000. So this is a suggestion that there is a growth in unemployment. And besides, there's a lot of people right now, what we're hearing right now, a lot of states and people, employers are complaining that they cannot find workers. So there's so many hiring signs and so many calls for employment, but again, people are saying we can't find the right people. So that's why I said, let me know your thoughts. Do you think people are not paying enough, or do you think they just can't find enough people? But these signs show that the chances of a $2,000 monthly stimulus check happening is very, very slim. So this is what we're seeing right now when it comes to the $2,000 per week unemployment benefit. So let's quickly talk about this other big benefit that millions of people will still qualify for household. So according to this report, the child tax credit is going to be hitting so many people's bank accounts. So many families are well positioned to be receiving this payment in 2021. So the payment should begin on July 15th of this year. So by July 15th, you should likely be getting the child tax credit if you qualify. So the good question is, what are the qualification limits for this child tax credit in 2021? So let's quickly take a look at this report right here. So before we dive into the eligibility, let's talk about the amount. So the amount of the payment will be around $300 a month for people who have kids under the age of 6, and $250 per month for people who have kids between 6 and 17. So this is the number that we're seeing right now, and this was all according to the American Rescue Plan. So this is from Joe Biden's initiative, right? So this child tax credit is a big one. This will go a long way to help a lot of low-income families. But when it comes to the qualification, if you are a single filer, so that means if you are single and you have a dependent that falls within these thresholds, you basically will be getting the full amount if you make less than $75,000. So if your adjusted gross income is less than $75,000, you will be getting the $300 or $250 per month per child. So if you file as head of household, the income limit you need to have is $112,500. And if you are a couple filing jointly, you need to have an adjusted gross income of $150,000. Now, this only applies, like I said, for people who have kids under 17 years of age. So if your kids are over 17, chances are that you will likely not qualify for this. Then for non-filers, if your status is non-filer, so you have to file a 2020 tax return in order for you to get this payment. So for those of you who are wondering, how can I get this payment because I haven't filed my taxes, just file your taxes for 2020 and you should be eligible for this payment. Again, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, but the start date for this benefit is July 15th of 2021. So that's what we're seeing right now from this report. So the IRS will be sending out the advance payments. Be on the lookout for your bank account, and also watch out for scammers. People are going to call you trying to get this money from you. So be sure to route the messages. If you get any phone call or text messages saying this is from the IRS does not call you or send you text messages. So you will definitely be getting something in the mail from the IRS about this. If you do have any questions, be sure to reach out to your CPA, your tax person, or the IRS. So again, these are some of the biggest things that we're seeing right now. Just wanted to quickly let you guys know that the unemployment benefit is something that could likely be cut off for millions of people. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you've gained some insights from this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and give this video a share too. Share it with other people so people can get this information quicker. And see you in the next video. Stay safe and thank you for watching.